Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today we'll see what do you mean by association in Java. So keep liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. Let's go for it. Association means types of relationship. Association is basically linking between two classes. It can be subdivided into inheritance, it depicts is a relationship, composition where it depicts part of relationship, and aggregation. So association can be basically subdivided into inheritance, composition, and aggregation. So we'll see one by one what do you mean by that. Inheritance demo. Here what do you have? We have a class flower. So each flower has its own fragrance and petals. And there is a method oil seeds extraction. So class sunflower, it extends flower and it calls the base class methods of flower. So this is an inheritance relationship, single inheritance relationship, simple. So what it depicts, sunflower is a flower. So is a relationship of inheritance is followed over here. So now let's go further. Composition means mainly it comprises of, or there exist several parts of the main part. So there are two parts, there are wheels, there are spokes. So wheels are basically diameter of wheel, mass, spokes, and what I've done is a class is there, diameter of wheel, mass, spokes, manufacturer name. These are the attributes of wheel. So wheel comprises all these attributes. So the wheel comes consists of all these attributes, we can say. So this is the example of composition where wheel is represented. So here you can see that spokes are part of wheel. So part of relationship is depicted in composition. That was about composition. Now let's move forward to aggregation. Aggregation demo. We have created the constructor of the book and it includes its attributes as well as author. So what happens when we create the instance of book class, author is embedded in it. So we have created an instance of, we have created a class named aggregation demo. We have created a author class and book class. In book class, first as we have said, author is a reference to book, a reference class to the book class. So book class must have author class existence. So here we have, when we create, first we need to create author class instance, and in the author class instance, when we create, you have to give the name, age, and the birthplace. As you can see, we have given Kathy Sarah age and her birthplace as USA, California. And in the book class, we have created an instance Java book. Its name is head for Java, number of pages, type is reference book, and Java author is the instance that we pass to the book. So that was all about. So in this video we saw what do you mean by association in Java. So keep liking, subscribing, stay tuned for more videos.